Dear student, Kim Cho, how are you? Fine. Today we are in our question 10.8 of our book Inelo Alkane Inelo Arena. Identify chiral and achiral molecules in achiral. In the following pairs are given. We have to define. Chiral carbon means carbon is attached with another 4 group in which all the 4 are different, and carbon having same functional group which is called chiral concept. Here OH and H. Now we know this one is our carbon. Single line H and OH indicates on plane. Dotted wedges behind of the paper. Dark wedges indicate the height of the paper. Understood? And second one is given HBr. Here is Br and CH3 behind the plane. Tell me, this carbon is our stereo center, chiral carbon. Why? All the 4 groups are different here. So this one is the chiral. એટલે જે કાર્બન પર ચારે સિંગલ વેલેન્સી and all the 4 groups are different, so we can say molecule is the chiral. Yes. What about this one? Here valency is 4, no problem, but 2 bromide are there which are same, so which is the achiral. This one optically active when we pass plane polarized light, so it deviates light to clockwise, otherwise anti-clockwise, left hand side, otherwise right hand side. It gives enantiomers. Mirror image occurs of this compound but not of this. Second one in our book is given like this. Here is H as a dotted line behind the paper. Here OH. Now CH3. Then here CH3. And another is CH3. H and OH. OH is behind the paper, H height of the paper. So we have to check all the carbon. Here is CH3, 3 hydrogen same, so which is not chiral, 2 hydrogen same. But what about this? H, OH, CH3 and all part, propyl. All 4 groups are different, so this one is the chiral. What about this CH3? No, CH2, 2 hydrogen same. CH2, 2 hydrogen same. CH3, no. What about this carbon? H, OH. But these 2 side ethyl groups. So this one is the achiral. It is not optically active compound. And our third pair is the given like this 2 bromobutane and 1 bromobutane. In our book, 2 bromobutane and 1 bromobutane is given. So what about this? First of all, CH3, it is chiral? No. Why? 3 hydrogens are there same. This one, no. 3 hydrogen. This one, no. 2. This one, yes. Why? H, Br, wall part, ethyl group. After the bond, wall part we have to take. So methyl, ethyl, bromide and hydrogen. So this one is the chiral. 4 single bond around the carbon, and all the 4 groups attached with it are different. So chiral. What about this one? No. 3, 3, 2, 2, no chiral. So achiral. This is not optically active molecule. Like this we have to define. Now we are in our next point, retention. Yes. What is retention? We are going to retention. New chirality discussed in the last lecture. New word we are going to discuss about retention. What is retention? Same type of configuration is called retention. Most IMP solve not retention. Yes, first of all, we will discuss about retention. Retention of configuration is the retention of configuration is the preservation, means it remains same. Preservation of integrity of the partial spatial arrangement of bond. Spatial arrangement of the bonds. Arrangement remains same to an asymmetric center. Asymmetric center means chiral carbon. During a chemical reaction or chemical change from reactant to product, configuration remains same. Yes, it is also the configurational correlation when chemical species convert into chemical species. Relative configuration, same relative configuration. It has the same relative configuration. Yes, sir. How can we say? Yes, sir. Suppose in the carbon combines with X and ABC. Now it converts into YCABC. X is replaced by Y. First of all, here is the carbon. A, X, C and B. Y is replaced, X is replaced by Y. So what happens there? A, C and B, here should be Y. So you can see configuration remains same. That is called the retention. Now understood? In the chemical reaction, when displacement substitution occurs of one group by another group, yes, X group is replaced by Y. So original arrangement configuration remains same. It not changes. So why? In which cases this happen? એટલે કે આ જે reactant છે કાર્બન સાથે A, B, C and X is connected છે, X remove થાય, Y enter થાય, તો એની configuration છે around the chiral carbon remain same. So that is process is called the retention. Yes. In general, if during a reaction, bond, no bond to the stereo center is broken. Stereo center broken. Yes, sir. The product will have the same general configuration of groups. The product will have the same configuration during reaction of groups around the stereo center means chiral carbon. Such a reaction is said to be with retention of configuration, and that process is called the retention. Yes, we are taking example 2-methyl butane 1-ol. Here is Ca3C, then CH2OH. These wedges indicates behind the plane, and this two indicates eye the plane. This is our stereo center, chiral carbon K5. Here Ca3H, ethyl and CH2OH. All the four groups are different. Name of the compound 2-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4 butane 1-ol. This one is LEVO, levorotatory. When plane polarized light we are passing so it deviates on left hand side, so LEVO. We can't decide levodextro without practical. By polarimeter using we can define rotation of the polarized plane light. Here you can see CH2OH group is here. We are heating with concentrated HCl at high temperature. So what happens there? Your bond is not breaking between stereo center and carbon. Your bond breaks from here. So configuration is not changes. OH with H removes as a HCl. Here is CH3, here is H, here is CH2, Cl, then CH2, CH3. So this one is now 1 chloro, 2 methyl, 1 chloro, 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, and butane. But this one now dextro. Why we are discussing about it? Here you can see all the 4 valency here is not no bond break. Stereo center સાથે કીડા કાર્બન સાથે જે અટેચ છે એ બોન્ડ બ્રેક ન થતો એ સિવાયનો થાય છે એટલે configuration remains same, so which is the retention. You can see here rotation of light will be changed. In this case rotation of the light is changes from dextro to LEO. Yes, LEO. Why? Compound is changed. This one is 2 methyl butane 1, and this one 1 chloro 2 methyl butane. Here attached 3 group are same, but fourth one is different. This is CH2 and this is CH2Cl. So rotation, configuration means arrangement of the group remains same, of the main groups remain same, but rotation we can define only by polarimeter. Remember, it remains the same, but rotation is changed due to different groups. Compound is changed. Now next point, inversion retention is here over. Now in which cases the compound gives retention? Yes, retention. Then after inversion and racemization, so we are in inversion, retention, and inversion, retention, and racemization. Describe this point, new point. Retention solved not over, new point, inversion, retention, and racemization. There are 3 outcomes. There are 3 outcomes for a reaction. At N, a symmetric carbon atom. Asymmetric means chiral carbon. Consider the replacement of group X. Consider the replacement of X by Y in the following reaction. Yes, which is given in book. In the following reaction. So we are going one by one to discuss. Here is X. Here is ethyl group. This single line indicates on same plane. Dotted wedges indicate behind the plane. Dark wedges indicate at the plane, like this. Yes. So when X is replaced by Y, after removal of X, Y enters there. But you can see configuration, arrangement remains same. So this one is called retention. In the compound, x is replaced by y, અહીંથી x remove થાય ને y આવી જાય છે. The original configuration, arrangement of the particles છે, arrangement of the molecule atoms છે, remains same. So this process is called retention. We discussed configuration is not changed here, but if x is replaced by y and opposite configuration occurs, here x moves here, CH3 here, ethyl, and here is y. This is inversion. Inversion, yes. I am giving you example. This one is here now. Retention. This process retention, the configuration remains same. X removed, on the place of x, y is coming. So retention occurs some. But in this case, you can see ethyl x, blue is x. Ethyl and x on same plane. Methyl ahead of the plane, hydrogen behind of the plane. Dotted wedges dark. Y is not entering here. Y is entering here, coming here. Y attacks on opposite side of the x. The x છે એની side થી opposite side થી attack કરે છે. It's attacking on opposite side. So here carbon never forms pi bond. So what happens there? Starting of formation of the new bond with Y here, and breaking will be start of this bond. After breaking this here, it will be breaks. So actually what happens there? Repulsion occurs more between Y, ethyl, methyl and H. So these two sphere moves this side. You can see here was once again, here was X, our coming group attacks on opposite side of X like this. So new bond will be forms, all bond will be breaks. So what happens there actually? Here Y enters here, and due to repulsion, this moves in another side. This two. So HNCl3 was this side. Now it moved in this side, like this. So Y is here now. Ethyl same. Cl3 and H moves here. That is called inversion. Inversion means opposite, like umbrella. We discussed about it. Like umbrella. Place is changes like a umbrella. Sometimes, so this process is called inversion. Sometimes this compound gives mixture of both A and B. This compound gives a mixture of A and B. Here is H, Ca3 and Y. Here is C2H5, H, CH3 and Y. You can see both are mirror image of each other. The 50% dextro and 50% levo. These are racemization. 50% occurs from this compound, which is called racemization. So we get three type of products: retention, inversion, and racemic mixture. These two, A and B, both occurs simultaneously. 50% equal ratio of both, and mixture of both indicates DL. which is optically not active. 50% X-stop, 50% LEO. Here you can see on left hand side is now here, and left hand side and right hand side, and right hand side and left hand side. I is I, behind is behind. So these are enantiomers of each other. So we get three type of the products from the chiral molecules. Yes. Now let us in which condition it gives retention, particularly inversion and racemization. We have to discuss about it. Yes. Let three ways we discussed, but particular reason for that we are going to discuss. In which case it gives racemization, in which case gives retention, in which case gives inversion product. Now let us a fresh look at SN1 and SN2 mechanism. Taking examples of optically alkyl halide. Yes. In the case of optically active alkyl halide, the product formed as a result of SN2 mechanism has the inverted configuration as compared to the reactant. Yes, remember. In the case of optically active alkyl halide, the product from formed as a result of SN2 mechanism has the inverted, yes, inverted configuration product as compared to the reactant. Yes, when SN2 mechanism occurs in alkyl halide, so product will be inverted. Inversion occurs. Inverted product gives. First of all, store in your mind, SN2 means reaction occurs in one step, clear, and carbocation should be unstable. We know about it. So we are taking example. 2-bromo octane. Leave what 2-bromo octane is given. Here is bromine. Here is CH3. Single line means same on the plane. Dotted line behind the plane. And here edge is C6H13. 6, 7, 8. On second position bromine. This one 2-bromo octane. And which one is LEO? Practically decided. We can't decide by this. It reacts with the sodium hydroxide, alkali. OH minus is reacting with sodium hydroxide, means OH minus. So here what happens? Our mechanism is SN2. It means reaction occurs in only one step. So when reaction occurs in one step, it means in the presence of bromine, OH minus ion is entering. Yes. In the presence of bromine, OH minus ion is coming there. You will see this pairs bromine, methyl, bromine, methyl on same plane. C6H13, ide of the plane, dotted line indicate behind the plane. OH group is coming here. Here we have to remove OH group, bromine group, leaving group by OH. But OH coming on opposite side here, like this. It coming from this side. In the presence of bromine, OH is entered. So these two bonds are now weak. This bond will be breaks, this bond will be formed. So now you can see OH will be removed. What happens? Here is now OH, repulsion occurs more here. OH, bromine, methyl NH. So this 3 changes its side. It moves in opposite side. Now totally OH is entered. You can see now OH is entered here. So CH3 H and Br is now in opposite direction. That is called the inversion. Inverted product occurs. And the OH enter. So OH will be now here. And then after CH3 moves here due to repulsion. All these 3 moves on another side like umbrella. In umbrella, we discussed this like. Now it will be, yes, this one like here. Now it moves here, like this. This part is now this one, another side. So here is H, dotted line, and C6H13. This is inversion, opposite arrangement. Whenever reaction occurs SN2 in the alkyl halide having chiral carbon, OH group enters in SN2. So in presence of Br, OH is entering there. Like bromine છે અને OH આવે છે. એટલે શું થાય? આ bromine છે leaving group છે. It will be leaves, removes. And now due to OH here, repulsion more. So this 3 changes direction. And this is inverted product. And process is called inversion. Now what about in SN1? In case of optically active alkyl halide, SN1 mechanism is occurs. Let us now look yes, the product formed as a result of SN1 mechanism has the racemic mixture. gives a racemic mixture. It gives yes. The product formed as a result of SN1 is the racemic mixture. Why this happens? SN1 mechanism, reaction SN1 mechanism it means reaction occurs in two states and carbocation should be stable. Yes, sir. Once again we are taking an example. Why this happens? Can you think the reason why happens? Actually carbocation, this reaction occurs in two steps. First of all, bond breaks between carbon and halogen, which is slow and reversible. So first of all, carbocation produces. Here, carbocation possesses sp2 hybridized. This one is the sp3 hybridized. After removal of one halogen, it is now sp3 hybridized and it has one vacant orbital. So nucleophile attacks first stage, carbocation occurs. In second stage, first step is slow. In second step, nucleophile enters there. But first one is slow, so write determinating step. So here, after formation of carbocation, OH group enters from both hand side, right hand side or left hand side. So 50% gives dextro and 50% levo. So racemic mixture occurs. Now we are taking example 2-bromobutane. Once again 2-bromobutane. In the 2-bromobutane, what happens there actually? In 2-bromobutane, here is bromine, here is CH3, H and ethyl. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is chiral carbon. In first step, what happens there? In step number 1, first carbocation occurs. Formation of here CH3, C2H5H and Br is removed. This carbocation possesses sp2 hybridization. Here is CH3, H and ethyl. There is one vacant orbital. So you can see which is perpendicular to the plane. This one experiences sp2 hybridization. This one was sp3. Now here CH3, H and ethyl on same plane. One vacant orbital after removal of bromide ion. So suppose OH minus is attacking here and otherwise is attacking on another side. प्लेन છે એની ઉપરની સાઈડ થી અધરવાઇઝ નીચેની સાઈડ થી અટેક થાય. સપોઝ ઇટ અટેક્સ ઇન હિયર, સો હિયર COH CH3 then H and C2H5. You can see, suppose OH is attacking from here, so OH C CH3 H, yes, here to this side, H and C2H5. You can see both are mirror image. OH and CH3 on same plane, H behind, ethylite, ethylite. Left hand side portion is here, on here is right hand side. Right hand side portion is here on left hand side. So this one suppose dextro, so this one suppose leo. So which is gives 50-50% mixture of both. So in SN1 reaction it gives a racemic mixture. Yes. Now last point of the day, elimination reaction. Here nucleophilic substitution reaction over. Now we are going elimination reactions. Elimination reactions. Elimination means remove. Something should be removed. When a haloalkane with beta hydrogen atom is heated with potassium hydroxide with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide. In alcohol which is dissolved, there is elimination. Elimination means remove out. Elimination of hydrogen atom from beta carbon and halogen atom from alpha carbon. As a result, alkene forms. Alkene is as a product occurs. Yes. Since beta hydrogen is involved in reaction, so it is called beta elimination reaction also. Yes. હવે આપણે લઈએ next. Suppose here carbon is attached with halogen which is alpha. Neighbor of it is called beta. When we react with alcoholic KOH, so potassium with halogen removes as a KX. H with OH as a H2O, and there will be double bond which gives a alkene. Yes, here base coming to the hydrogen, so as a BH. Here leaving group is halogen, and one valency of this carbon, one of this will be vacant. Both combines with each other and makes a double bond. So alkene occurs here. But I am giving you some comparison. Yes, something should be we have to compare. Suppose we are taking chloroethane. Chloroethane is taken, is now reacting with KOH, aqueous, not alcoholic. Then not elimination but substitution reaction occurs. K with Cl as a KCl, and OH combines there. This is not elimination. Product is now ethanol. If ethyl chloride is reacting with alcoholic KOH, then elimination occurs. alpha and beta, K with Cl, KCl, H with OH, H2O. Here in CH3, CH2 and Cl. Chlorine is removed with chlorine, H with OH. So here both carbon has now 1 valency vacant open. So both combines with each other and gives the ethane. You can see only one word is changed, aqueous KOH and alcoholic. In aqueous KOH it gives substitution reaction, in alcoholic KOH gives elimination. Product will be changed. Now in same, if there is possibility, if there is a possibility of formation of more than one, yes, alkene, Q2, availability of more than one beta hydrogen atoms. Yes. So which product will be main? So in this case, many alkene occurs. Which one is the main? So in the year of 1875, Jetsway, both same. Jetsway scientist had given rule for major product. Is like this, in dehydrohalogenation. Yes, in dehydrohalogenation. D means removal of hydrogen halogen, which is called dehydrohalogenation also, this reaction. In dehydrohalogenation reactions, the preferred product is that alkene which has the greater number of alkyl group attached to the doubly bonded carbon atoms. Yes, I am giving the example. In chloroethane, halogen containing carbon is alpha, neighbor of is beta. Here is only one beta carbon. But in 2-bromopentane, you can see CH2, CH2, CHBr and CH3. This is 2-bromopentane. You can see halogen containing carbon is alpha and neighbor is beta. So here two neighbors. Adjacent carbon direct alpha સાથે connected, beta beta, આ beta નથી, આ નથી. Suppose અહીંથી remove થાય, alcoholic KOH is taken. Then bromine with potassium SaKBr. Suppose hydrogen is removed from here with OH. So it gives paint one in product. અહીંથી halogen, અહીંથી hydrogen remove થાય, double bond occurs here. So paint one in, but this product is only 19%. But this one alcoholic KOH. Suppose from here hydrogen is replaced, removes. Bromine with K, KBr, OH with H, H2O. So CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH, and CH3. So this one is a paint 2 in. This is 81% product. This is major. Why? Due to Jatzman rule, doubly bond having carbon should be more alkyl group. तो डबल बॉन्ड वाला कार्बन ऊपर एक मिथाइल और इथाइल बे अल्काइल ग्रुप છે and doubly bonded carbon ઉપર only one alkyl group છે. So this one is minor product, this one is major. એટલે જ્યારે આપણા હેલો આલ્કેન્સ માં more than 1, 2 or more than 2 બીટા કાર્બન્સ હોય તો અહીંથી પણ પોસિબિલિટીઝ છે. હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય. From here also there is possibility. So which one is maximum product? You can see અહીંથી ને H જાય તો અહીં ડબલ બોન્ડ બને તો ડબલી બોન્ડ એવી કાર્બન ઉપર બે આલ્કાઇલ ગ્રુપ છે, મિથાઇલ ને ઇથાઇલ. આ મોર સ્ટેબલ હોય. તો અહીંથી ને H જાય તો આખો એક જ આલ્કાઇલ ગ્રુપ થાય. એટલે ડબલ બોન્ડ વાળા કાર્બન ઉપર મેક્સિમમ આલ્કાઇલ ગ્રુપ્સ હોવા જોઈએ. So it gives maximum product. This is the Schiff rule. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Bye. We will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye. Take care.